You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in English. Let's break it down. For more vocabulary, stay tuned to the end of the video. Many more for you there. British English pronunciation. Deportation. Deportation. Stress on the T syllable of the third syllable. Deportation. American English pronunciation is just a tiny bit different. Deportation. Deportation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.